Alright guys, please excuse the poor lighting. I just wanted to go over one of my most recent scores. I guess this ate up some of my ammo money, but I recently picked up this 2003 Ford Ranger. It's got 53,000 miles on the whole thing. It's a V6 standard tranny. So far I've obviously tinted the windows, so I had the windows blacked out. Came with a bed liner and a tonneau cover. I mean, the thing's in immaculate shape for what it is. It's even got the it's got a billet grill. This part under here, I can't even see my hand. I'm gonna order the other grill that goes under there. So far we're converting the whole thing over to LED. Got an LED dome lights so far. Stock deck, but we'll update the video soon. I've got a TV we're putting in there. Back there we've got a couple Sony 10s with a 1200 watt amp. Gets it going pretty good. Side markers LED. Turn signal LEDs are in the mail. Headlight LEDs are coming soon. Changing out the flasher relay to accept the LEDs. Third brake light, that'll all be LED soon. Really? And let's see here. And we did the LED reverse lights. LED brake lights coming after we get the flasher. Of course we did LED license plate lights. And that's about it. Can't wait to take this thing out and score some ammo.